Cozmo Robot is a small, advanced AI-powered robot designed primarily for entertainment, education, and interaction. It comes with a code lab based on Scratch, allowing users to program Cozmo with a simple drag-and-drop interface. It encourages creativity and problem-solving in children and beginners. Cozmo can explore his surroundings and navigate around obstacles. It has sensors to detect edges to avoid falling. It requires a smartphone or tablet app to function. The app gives access to features, games, learning modules, and camera view. It uses cute robotic sounds and voice tones to communicate its mood or reactions. Developers and tech-savvy users can use the Cozmo SDK to program custom behaviors. It learns and interacts with people. Cozmo has a digital face that shows emotions such as happy, curious, and sad. It reacts to interactions and learns from them, developing a unique personality. It uses a built-in camera to recognize and remember faces. It recognizes its owner and gets excited when it sees them.